a guide to drain cleaning for your home. No one wants trouble with their household drains, nor do they want to clean up the mess that's likely to accompany this sort of drama. A typical house has many drains and more ways to clog them than you'd imagine. With a proactive approach to keeping them clean and free of clogs, life will be good. 1. There are some hard and fast rules about what should or should not go in drains and garbage disposals. A. Our short list is grease, coffee grounds, paper-based products, fibrous foods and peels, nuts and nutshells, plants and clippings. B. Specific food items to avoid in the disposal are bones, eggshells, pasta, seeds, rice, pits, and oats. 2. Keeping the drains clean and fresh is easy once you form the habit, and it creates a pleasant space without the drain disasters. A. Using natural solutions first will avoid unnecessary exposure to harsh chemicals. B. Some of the best products are lemons, baking soda, vinegar, and boiling water. C. If you can't get rid of stubborn clogs, you may need professional drain cleaning services, but with proper maintenance, this will happen less frequently. Keep these things in mind and give your drains a little extra TLC, and they'll serve you well for years to come. For the full article, please click on the link in the description of this video.